So I bought another phone lot from eBay, this time for $150. To be honest, I don't really remember what the lot contains anymore. It was like 2 or 3 weeks since I bought it, but I do remember that it contains Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, iPhone XR and maybe some iPads.
Alright, what's that? I have actually no idea. Let's see what's inside. Only this paper. Okay, so what's next? I guess that's just the stuffing. And here's the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's see how it looks. And here is the phone. And it seems to be in decent condition. Nothing major I see. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, it actually does. That's lovely. Okay, let's keep unboxing. Then we have this iPhone XR. Lots of papers right there. And here's the phone. The phone has cracked screen, I see, right here. But let's test it later. Here we have case. Now we have iPhone 6s Plus. It seems to be in okay condition, I think, apart from the cracked screen protector. Oh, in these papers there are actually 2 phones. Some Huawei. It seems to be an older model, I think like P8 Lite. Now we have this iPad. I actually don't know what is this model of the iPad. Second iPad, this seems to be a newer model because it has already Touch ID, but it is cracked. And also another iPad, but this also seems to be older model because of the Touch ID. That's basically everything from the lot. Let's put it aside and let's start testing. I will start with this iPad. Let's see if it powers on. When plugged in to charge, it does power on. Let's see if it has iCloud on. Let's set it up. Does it seem to have some kind of screen protector, or why is it so bulky? Do you see this? I don't know, it seems weird. Okay, let's see if it is iCloud locked. And it is iCloud locked, so this can be only used for parts. I will power this down, and the touch doesn't seem to work. Okay, here we have the next iPad. Does it display anything? Okay, we have a low battery symbol. I will leave the iPad charging for a bit. Well, the iPad did power on, but it seems to be blocked with iTunes. I will check if it is iCloud locked, and if it is iCloud locked, I can sell it only for parts. And unfortunately, the iPad is iCloud locked. Here's our next contender, the iPhone 6s Plus. The screen protector is damaged, but it seems to be okay otherwise. Let's plug it in and see if it powers on. And it does charge, but I believe the battery is really dead. Okay, here's the iPhone. Let's set it up. Touch ID is working. Okay, so this iPhone XS has iCloud off. It is 16GB version and battery health is at 66%, so it is basically done. Okay, at least one phone is working. The next is the iPhone XR. Here we have some documentation and here's the phone. Just by looking at it, I can see that the screen is pretty damaged. Let's see if we get any power or sound. Plug it in. The phone vibrates, but nothing is displayed. I am guessing that the screen is broken, because you can literally do this. I will check the serial number, and I will hope that it is iCloud unlocked. And fortunately, the iCloud is unlocked. That's great. Let's hope everything aside from the display is fine. And here we have the next contender, this iPad. So let's see if it powers on, and it actually does. And again you can see this weird border that it is sticking out. I don't know what it is. And again it is just blocked and it just now has powered off. Check the serial number and see if it is iCloud off. And this one seems to be iCloud off. So all I need to do is flash it with iTunes or free utils and it's ready to use. We are done with the iPhones. Here's the Samsung Galaxy S9. And if you look closely at the screen, you can see the display is burnt in. You can see it on the top and here on the bottom. Let's see if it is Google account locked. Okay. This seems to be working just fine. Let's see how many gigabytes this has. Where do I find this? It is 64 gigabyte version. Okay, but it's working fine and the condition doesn't seem to be that bad. It's not great, but it's not terrible. Take off the screen protector. I guess there are some scratches and stuff, but it's not bad. And the next phone is pretty old. That's some sort of Samsung. We can see that the battery manufacture date is 2012. So at this point it is 13 years old. I won't even test it. I would consider this as waste. Here's some Huawei. Let's see if it powers on. And after plugging it into the charger, nothing happens. There's no current draw. That's it. So here are all the devices that don't have some sort of lock. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, the iPhone XR, the iPhone 6s Plus and iPad mini. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye! By the way, if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe and leave a comment.